celebrate the rockets that land, the electric cars that redefine an industry, the satellites that connect the world. We see the triumphs, but what if I told you that beneath every dazzling success story, there lies an ocean of unseen battles, the crushing setbacks that could have silenced anyone else? Today, we're diving into the many times the world stood firm and unequivocally said no to Elon Musk. Because it was in those agonizing, boring years of hidden failures that the very fabric of his legendary persistence was forged. Our journey begins not with rockets, but with maps. Zip 2. Elon and his brother Kimball, fresh out of college, sleeping in the office, showering at the YMCA. They built a system to put businesses online with searchable maps, a radical idea in the mid-90s. Imagine pitching that concept to traditional media companies. Why would anyone want to find a pizza place on a computer? They'd ask. The skepticism was palpable. Investors doubted, competitors emerged, and the initial growth was glacial. There were countless nights spent debugging code, countless days chasing leads, facing blank stares and closed doors. They were told it was too early, too niche, too complicated. But they kept pushing, fueled by an almost irrational belief in the internet's future. They endured the ridicule, the financial strain, the sheer exhaustion. And eventually, after years of grinding, it paid off when Compaq bought Zip 2 for over $300 million. A win, yes, but born from the crucible of constant rejection. Then came X.com, which would eventually become PayPal, a radical concept for online banking and payments. Elon envisioned a holistic financial platform, but his aggressive, ahead-of-its-time ideas often clashed with others. He was fired as CEO from the very company he co-founded. Imagine the sting of that rejection, the betrayal, the public humiliation. The board, many of whom he'd brought in, believed his vision was too risky, too grand. They chose a different path. Yet, even after this profound setback, he remained PayPal's largest shareholder, influencing its direction, and ultimately ensuring its survival and eventual sale to eBay for $1.5 billion. He lost control, but never lost his stake or his belief. He persisted through the ultimate internal no. But perhaps the most profound crucible of no came with SpaceX. After selling PayPal, Elon poured his fortune into what many considered a suicidal venture, building private rockets. The aerospace establishment scoffed. Amateur, they whispered. Impossible, they declared. The first 3 launches of the Falcon 1 rocket failed. 3 times, his dreams exploded into fireballs. 3 times, millions of dollars vanished in smoke. The 4th launch was critical. He was running out of money. The world was watching, ready to write him off as a fool. Imagine the weight of that moment. The pressure to quit, to walk away, to admit defeat. But he didn't. He scraped together every last cent, rallied his demoralized team, and went for broke. In that desperate do-or-die moment, the Falcon 1 reached orbit. It was a victory forged in the fires of 3 devastating no's. Each explosion wasn't an end, but a brutal lesson, a painful refinement. He embraced the failure, dissected it, and used it as fuel for the next attempt. This wasn't just about building rockets, it was about building an unshakable resolve. And then there's Tesla. Electric cars were a joke to most in the early 2000s, a niche for hobbyists, not a serious contender against the titans of Detroit. The financial crisis hit right as Tesla was launching the Roadster. They were on the brink of bankruptcy, multiple times. Funding rounds fell through, production issues mounted, critics piled on, predicting its imminent demise. Legacy automakers laughed. He put his own money in again, essentially betting everything on a dream that seemed, to many, impossible. He faced lawsuits, vicious media attacks, and the constant threat of insolvency. Yet, he pushed through, driven by a vision of a sustainable future, not just profit. The world said no, but he heard not yet. Elon Musk's journey isn't a story of overnight success. It's a testament to the brutal, beautiful power of persistence. It's a reminder that true innovation isn't born from flawless execution, but from the messy, often humiliating process of failing, learning, and trying again. The hidden failures aren't just footnotes. They are the bedrock upon which empires are built. They are the moments when character is forged, when belief is tested, and when the impossible begins its slow, arduous march towards reality. So, what can we take from this? When you face your own no, when the world seems to conspire against your dreams, remember this. Every rejection is an opportunity to refine, to strengthen your resolve. Don't let the fear of failure define you. Let the experience of failure inform you. The greatest achievements are rarely born from smooth sailing. They emerge from the storms weathered, the doubts overcome, and the unwavering belief that your vision, no matter how audacious, is worth fighting for. Keep going. The world needs your persistence. If this story resonated with you, hit that like button. I'll see you in the next video.